Hello friends, I'm really very excited to share this lecture with you guys. Yes friend, here we are going to do our first project. Now, don't get nervous. Yes friend, you may think that we are just starting to know about this software. How can we create a project? Now only. Yes friend, well, just be with me and you will learn that using a simple trick you can create really interesting shapes. Yes friend, believe me. So let's start doing our first project. Now select this line tool. Yes friend, using this line tool only we will create interesting shape. So select this line tool. Well, how you can select it? Just click it and it will get selected. See, now this line tool's background is kind of darker than other tools, right? You will find this line tool here. Okay, so just select this line tool and that's it. Now how you can work with this line tool? Just come to your document which is created here and let's click at a point and start dragging. Now while dragging, click and drag. Okay, now while dragging, make sure to hold the shift key. See, now it's a straight line. Yes friend, by holding the shift key you can assure that you are drawing a straight line. So let's draw a straight line like this. Now it's a straight line. So let's draw another straight line. You will understand it better. So what's the first process? Just click at a point and start dragging, and while you have started dragging, hold the shift key. See, now it's a straight line. Either it can be 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree, 180 degree, 225 degree, 270 degree, 315 degree and 0 degree. So it will be a straight line if you hold the shift key. Now which one to leave first, either the shift key or the mouse? If you leave the shift key first, let's leave the shift key first. See, now it's not a straight line, right? So again hold the shift key. So first you need to remove the mouse. That's it. Then leave the shift key. Okay, so that's it. This is the method. Now let's come to our selection tool. Let's select it and let's select this line. Well, did you notice one thing? Previously this one was selected. Now when you select just this object, remember I have used the term object. Yep, so when we have selected this object is selected. Now you can work on it. See, here at the top we are having a stroke option, right? And here it's currently 1 point. You can increase it. See, just like this, right? Okay, so let's leave it for now. So this is just a simple line. How it can be an interesting shape? Well, let's come here and let's select the width tool. Currently it's shifted here. Well, another thing, see here in this tools, here you will see a double arrow. Let's click on it. You may see that your tools are aligned like this. Now if you click on this arrow again, it will be aligned like this. So 2 tools in a row or 1 tool in a row. I like this one. Now it's personal choice. You can even work on single row. I like using double row or double columns. See, double columns or double in a row. Okay, so yep, let's select the width tool. Again, how we can select it? Just by clicking on it. Now let's zoom in. While zooming in, you need to press Ctrl plus. Now you can wonder that where is that object? Well, it's at the top, and how we can go to the top? Hold the space bar. Now see, it's a hand, and using the mouse, just click and drag. Just click and drag. Remember to hold the space bar. That's it. Or you can even select the hand tool. See, now it has become a hand. Now you can just click and drag your document. Well, we did select the width tool. So yeah, so when you have selected this tool and you want to work on this hand tool, you can even work on it just by pressing the space bar. See, now it's a hand. Now click and drag. Okay, now when you leave the space bar, you will see that your previous selected tool is selected. Currently, it's width tool. Okay, now let's start creating an interesting shape. Let's come here at any point in this line. Click at a point and start dragging. See? Let's come here and let's start dragging. Ooh, what is this? Let's come here. Let's start dragging. Oh my god, it's some kind of antique piece or what? Let's come here and let's drag it like this. So click and drag, that's it. Let's come here and just make it like this. That's it. That's it, guys. Let's shrink it. Yup, just like this. Just click and drag. That's it. That's it, guys. Now select the selection tool and just take a look at it. Now, when you have selected this using this selection tool, see here in the menu option, or you can say this is the option bar, this is the menu bar, and this is the option bar. Remember this thing. Okay. In the option bar, you will see an option, transform. Let's click on this transform. And let's transform it 180 degree. So, I mean, let's rotate it 180 degree. And this is the rotate option. Let's rotate it 180 degree. Oops, no, sorry. Let's make it 90 degree. I was wrong. Again 90. Another 90. Yup, there you go. Okay, now just zoom out. Let's zoom out a little bit. Yup, there you go. So how cool is this? Again, this is a line tool, right? Again, this is a line tool. Let's increase the stroke a little bit. Just like this. And using the width tool, come at a point, click and drag. See? Come at a point, click and drag. See? This is some kind of guitar or what? Yeah. Okay. So just play around with it and you can create really cool stuff using this. And another thing, just imagine creating these kind of shapes using pen tool. Of course, you can create these shapes using pen tool, but the time which will be consumed to create these kind of shapes and also perfect shape, See, it's symmetrical. This side and this side is symmetrical, isn't it? So you can create these kind of cool shapes just by using the line tool and this awesome width tool. Yes, friend. Really excited, huh? Well, start doing it yourself and start enjoying Illustrator. Yes, friend. So that's it, guys. Here in this lecture, we have created really cool shapes and, of course, complex shapes, isn't it? That's why I have told you that in this project, we are going to create some interesting shapes. And this is how you can create it. This is how. Yes, friend. Just click on the line tool, create a line, and while making a line, make sure to hold the shift key to make it a straight line. Increase the stroke a little bit and select the width tool and just work on it. See? Just like it. Just like this. See, now it's a pot. Right? Okay, and also if you see it from right to left, it's kind of a fish. And if you want to view it from left to right, I mean, if you move it, well, let's rotate it. Let me rotate it minus 90 degree. Minus 90 degree. This is the one. Yeah, see, this is a pot now, right? See, this is a pot. And if it is a fish, then it is going down. Okay, so that's it, guys. So just play around with it and have fun with it. Here I am concluding this project. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.